Hello student, today's our topic is excretory system in human beings. We have seen the structure of excretory system. Today we will discuss about the unit of excretory system. Its unit is known as nephron, which is also called as uriniferous tubules or renal tubule. In every kidney, this tubular tract is found, which one is responsible for the filtration of blood and formation of urine. Here I am going to draw the diagram of uriniferous tubule or nephron. First of all, this nephron forms a cup-shaped structure which is embedded in the cortex region of kidney, the peripheral region of kidney. This capsule or cup is known as Bowman capsule. Later on, a tubular tract starts. The earlier tubular tract is known as PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. Later on, this PCT will open in a U-shaped loop known as Henle's loop. This is the descending arm of Henle's loop, while this is the ascending arm. While this is ascending arm of Henle's loop. Only this loop is found in the medulla region. Rest of the part will present in cortex of kidney. This ascending arm will channelize in DCT or distal convoluted tubule. While after that, it will channelize through a straight tract into collecting duct. This is known as collecting tubule. This is the whole structure of nephron. I also draw the veins and arteries here. Renal artery form a branch that provide blood to nephron. As I told you earlier, this one contains maximum urea. Through afferent arteriole, this is afferent arteriole, while this is efferent arteriole. Through afferent arteriole, it's providing blood to Bowman capsule. It will insert in Bowman capsule and form a channel fine capillary network here. This structure is called as glomerulus, which act as the site for the filtration of blood. That's why whatever amount of blood is filtrate here, it's known as glomerulus filtrate. It's collected in the Bowman capsule and known as glomerulus filtrate. One more thing I want to tell you. Bowman capsule and glomerulus are combinedly called as renal corpuscles. This is the site where filtration of blood is done. So as you can see, the first part of nephron is a cup-shaped structure known as Bowman capsule. It's present in the cortex region of kidney. Here the capillary network is formed, which is glomerulus. Bowman capsule and glomerulus are combinedly known as renal corpuscles. Now Bowman capsule will channelize into a tubular tract, which is also found in the cortex region of kidney. It's known as PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. It will further channelize into a U-shaped structure known as Henle's loop, that is made up of two arms. This arm is descending arm, while this is the ascending arm. It's again channelized into a larger tract known as DCT, distal convoluted tubule, which makes the last part of nephron. After the completion of distal convoluted tubule, a straight tract is also found known as collecting tubule, which is not the part of nephron. From the collecting tubule, urine is channelized into the collecting duct, which is later on connected with ureter. So, in the structure of nephron, four parts are there. First is Bowman capsule. Next PCT, next Henle's loop, next one is DCT. Here Bowman capsule, PCT and DCT all are found in the cortex region, while Hanley's lobe is situated into the medulla region. All have their specific functions, which we will discuss in the working of nephron. Because this one participate in the formation of urine, that's why it's also known as unit of our excretory system, which is nephron. In our next lecture, we will discuss about working of nephron. Thank you everyone.